this is my passion, so you've hit the right spot. When you look at parents, all right, you need to expose your kids to more opportunities. You know, we used to everybody knows this, we hear it all the time. Your kids got to go to college to be successful. We know today that's not the truth. Kids, I've got former students that came out making six figures, 18 years old, 22 years old, they own their own house. You know, they've got their own four-wheel drive trucks or whatever they want to have toys. So we need to expose them to opportunities like Automate. Parents need to come here with their kids and see this. Now, you have to be 12 years old.
Yeah.
But junior high is the ideal time to show them around the place, right? And we're going to have 300 students here tomorrow for Career Day. Then when you look at industry, they need to engage. They need to go out to the local schools in their area, local robotics club, 4-H programs, or whatever. Whoever's having a contest, whoever's got a robotics program, say, I want to come speak at your contest or your school, your event. I'm willing to judge at your event, and we have tours. You can see the unbelievable stuff we're doing with automation in our factories. Because I ran a lot of events over the years, robotics events, and I always have parents come up and say, can my son or daughter or grandson, niece, nephew, can they really make a living at this? And you're like, well, how much is $100,000 a year okay, or is that bad? Do you want to take the $100,000 you saved up to put your child through college and just take a trip after they graduate? Because you can do that.
Not to mention the opportunity to learn how a business works in that specific niche and potentially take that entrepreneurial leap, start your own business focused in that area.
If you're 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, and you want to go into robotics, you're never going to have to worry about a job. Because right now, it's a seller's market. If I want a job over here somewhere today, I'll get one, right? But what schools need to do is, most of them have advisory committees where they have like our members on there. And I was one of those teachers, and it's a tough conversation sometimes when they tell you that what you're teaching is not the right thing to teach. And you're like, yeah, but I've invested a lot of time, but I'm doing it wrong. So, you know, you just got to suck it up and learn something new. But also, industry has to support you too as well. And you talked about the old equipment. When we were building the Ramtechs, we had companies that wanted to give us 30-year-old robots. Well, if you don't want the robots, it's no good anymore at your company. Why do you want me to teach 30-year-old technology? So we always said, no, we want the latest technology. I don't want the old stuff. I want the new stuff that you want them to be able to run when they work for you.